Okay guys, in as much as this is a farm girl episode, I didn't want to start my intro looking like a script. So if you have the slightest, tiniest interest for poultry farming, or you want to watch Instagram's Slay Queen turn into a farm girl, then I suggest just stick around and watch this vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome. So today I'm going to be doing my first ever vlog. I'm going to be showing you guys a day in the farm. So right now I'm actually in the farm. I've been in the farm for like almost a week, and I was like, come on, why don't I just vlog and show you guys and share this experience with you guys? So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to go and show you guys the poultry. I'm going to show you guys what I do in the farm. So you guys should relax and enjoy. So by the way, I have my farm wear, so get ready to see your girl transform into a farmer. Okay, so yeah, you guys should stay tuned and let's get right to this video. Rather, sorry, to this vlog. So bad at this shit. Bye guys. So I went to show you guys the poultry inside the poultry. So let's start. Okay, yeah, down here is the pit, like say hi. So guys, I'm already in the poultry and I want to go and get this. I don't know if I just showed you guys the right stuff. Okay, so obviously I have to wear gloves for protection. Just my finger fingers are not going to waste. So first thing we do is glove up. Let's get ready. Chickens who fall out of their cages. You hear me? Now, where's your cage? That's fine, this one's so I'm done feeding and I'm about going downstairs. So the people bringing feed, I've delivered it. So I'm going to show you guys that. So yeah, let's get right to it. Say hi to my viewers.
Hi.
Hi.
We are live at Upon Farm.
Empos.
Okay, Upon, yes.
Empos Farm, not Upon. Here in Poultry doing the real work. See what my sister is doing. She's going to take shoots. Can you guys see her? She's saying I should picture her. She's coming. Just take a look at that bitch. Done for the day. This is past 6. I'm just about to go and have my bath now, then eat my evening food and sleep. So yeah.